warmth and possibility, symbolizing strength and protection. Each detail reflects the intricate artistry of a majestic purple canary bird. Candidate number 1, Joa Banderas. Drop down design, Deacon and Lily, makeup artist. Presented as Sonic Mass Rocket from the Sears Sector Fabric. This dress exudes sophistication, adorned with delicate black feathers that add textures and movement. Painted through silver. Silver beads are intricately traced throughout, lending a subtle sparkles that catches the light. With every step, it's a look of timeless elegance.
Our candidate number 4. Candidate number 4, Melanie. Melanie is wearing a black shimmering splendid gown, designed with sequins to make the velvet clothes more visible. It is a splendid gown with two notes to be more spectacular and fashionable. The designer input geometric wires to make and rhinestones to be unique and versatile. Make way to be Melanie Navarro as she showcase you ang Anselmo Kayabia Calixto Couture. Designer Anselmo Kayabia Calixto. Makeup artist Anselmo Kayabia Calixto.
Our next contestant is candidate number 5, Andrea. Presenting a gown that redefines sophistication. A bold, fully fitted, seated masterpiece designer to celebrate the natural beauty and structure of a woman's body. This gown gracefully contours the silhouette, embracing femininity with an air of elegance and strength. The intricate, shimmering every movement, added depth and allure, while the delicate transparency offers a tasteful mix that both clearly and refined. This gown is such a statement of confidence, captures the essence of beauty, grace, and bold. Designer, Rodney Estrada, makeup artist, Rand Frensky. Our candidate number 5, Andrea Vergara Bustamante.
itama. I repeat. Anong kaman sa ang gusto tama?
Once again, morning, especially sa mga judges. Well, kung babaguhin sa aking buhay ang aking mga anak, at kung magkakaroon ako ng pagkakataon, ay itatama ko yun. Enough! Thank you!
Okay.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Our next contestant is candidate number 2, Nalin Dalangin Padilla. Okay? Miss Nalin, please And the question is, ano ang kultura o tradisyon sa Saudi Arabia ang nagustuhan mo at bakit ito ang napili mo? I repeat the question. Ano ang kultura o tradisyon sa Saudi Arabia ang nagustuhan mo at bakit ito ang napili mo?
Salamat po sa kanya. At magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Una po sa lahat, ang nagustuhan ko sa tradisyon o kultura dito sa Saudi Arabia ay ang pagiging family-oriented nila at ang pagiging madasali nila. Dahil hindi ito nalalayo sa kultura ng ating tulad natin mga Pilipino kung paano natin igalang ang ating mga magulang at sa pamamaraan sa pananalain kung paano sila manalangin ng mataimtim ay hindi nalalayo sa atin. Bagamat magkaiba man ng pamamaraan. Ngunit naniniwala rin po ako na iisa lamang ang mithiin at iisa lamang ang adhikain ng bawat isa, ng bawat Pilipino.
Kaya mo yan.
Thank you.
That was candidate
Thank you so much.
number 3 to take your question.
Okay, our candidate number 3 is Miss Maribel Bolongayta. Okay.
Mabuti. Bilang isang OFW, paano mo nagagampanan ang isang pagiging ina? I repeat, bilang isang OFW, paano mo nagagampanan ang isang pagiging ina?
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Para sa akin po, ang OFW ay isang hamon at distansya ng buhay. Kaya kailangan natin ibigay sa kanila ang suporta at pagpadala. Dahil dito natin maipadama sa kanila ang ating pagmamahal. Dahil tayong mga ina ay kailangan natin mapabuti ang ating mga anak kahit tayo ay malayo. Kaya, thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 3.
Hoy.
Sino presented?
Okay.
Maganda.
Very confident. Okay. Are you ready, candidate number 4? Okay, this is your question. Kung magkakaroon ka ng magandang oportunidad at pinigilan ka ng taong mahal mo, ano ang pipiliin mo?
Ay.
Ang oportunidad na dumating na makapagbabago ng buhay mo o ang taong mahal mo? I repeat. Naku, makakarinig ko mga marites natin ito. Kung magkakaroon ka ng magandang oportunidad at pinigilan ka ng taong mahal mo, ano ang pipiliin mo? Ang oportunidad na dumating na makakapagbabago ng buhay mo o ang taong mahal mo?
Thank you for your wonderful question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Para po sa akin, ang pagmamahal ay isang respeto. Pagmahal ka ng isang tao, kahit anong oportunidad, kaya niyong dalawa, haharapin at haharapin sa hirap at ginhawa. So hindi ko kailangan mamili dahil ang oportunidad, kailangan kong makita yan kasama ang aking minamahal. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4. Diba? Ay, hindi. Ako, taong mahal ko yung gamit pipili. Mahala kayo.
Wow, Miss Andrea.
Sorry lang. Okay, our contestant number 5. Wow, ang daming daming supporters. Grabe.
You look stunning. Siguro mga kabataan. Kagandahan mo talaga. Okay. So be serious, May. This is your question. Ano ang matututunan ng isang magulang sa isang anak? I repeat. Ano ang matututunan ng isang magulang sa isang anak?
Salamat sa magandang tanong, lalo na sa ating kamarado. But everyone, ang aking natutunan bilang ina sa aking mga anak ay isa na po yung pagtitiis. 24 hours, 24/7, nagtatrabaho, ating mahal sa buhay. At isa pa po yung pag-asikaso at gabayan po tayo ng gabayan po tayong lahat sa ating Panginoon, lalo-lalo na sa ating dito nagmalaya tayo sa ating mga pamilya. At lalo-lalo para sa mahal sa ating buhay, kailangan natin magsakripisyo para sa kanila. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, candidate number 5, Miss Ania Leonardo. Our last but not the least, candidate number 6, Corpus Vance.
God delay!
Para sa hiramin ko mamaya.
By the way, very stunning gown from Miss candidate number 6. Ito na ang iyong question. Sa tingin mo, may kahalagaan ba ang ganitong uri ng pala sa katulad nating mga OFW? I repeat, sa tingin mo, may kahalagaan ba ang ganitong uri ng patimpalak sa katulad nating mga OFW?
Yes, salamat po sa magandang tanong. Para sa akin po, yes po, meron pong kahalagahan. Kasi sa ngayon hindi ko naman po inaasahan na mapasali ako sa competition na ito. Parang bonus na rin po sa akin ito kasi nandito pa tayo para magtrabaho at tayo ay sumuporta sa ating pamilya. So, ang kahalagahan nito is sa ngayon, makikita ako ng mga pamilya ko na nandito ako. Tapos, isang memories yung kahalagahan nito dahil sa pagtanda ko, dahil dito sa Saudi, nagkaroon ako ng oportunidad na magkaroon ng ganitong competition. So, makikita ito ng aking mga anak o ang aking magiging apo sakali. So, memories, napakahalaga po ng memories. So, yun po ang masasabi ko na napakahalaga po na ang patimpalang na ito bilang OFW dito sa Saudi Arabia.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6. And, syempre, we would like to congratulate all our candidates kasi talagang napakatatalino talaga nila at talagang
Music Maestro!
For the information of the body, Miss Popularity garnered 1,000 votes.
Wow!
Dami ah.
Wow.
Our Miss Popularity goes to candidate number 5, Miss Andrea Bustamante.
So winner of Miss Popularity will receive a sash, a flash, a crown, and a bouquet.
Every single thing is somewhere missing.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to announce the winner of one of the most prestigious awards of the evening, the Best in Long Gown. Our candidates have graced the stage in their beautiful gown and showcasing elegant poise and confidence. The judge has carefully deliberate, and we are ready to find out who stood out the most in this competition.
And the best in evening gown, the presenters are Miss Esme Panis and Mr. Dave Anthony Navarro.
Best in evening gown. Who's your best, guys?
Six!
Our best in evening gown is none other than candidate number 3, Miss Marife.
Congratulations, Miss Marife, our Best in Long Gown.
You said she's just a friend now. Then why don't we call it? So you wanna go
Ladies and gentlemen, we now move on to a very special award, the Best in Evening Gown Designer. This award honors the creative vision and skills of the designer who crafted an evening gown that captures elegance, innovation, and beauty, enhancing the grace and voice of our
Our best designer for the gown, Music Maestro! It's time! Other time! Candidate number 4!
May we call on Mr. Anselmo Cayabyab Calixto.
Congratulations to candidate number 4. And especially to the designer, Ivo Calistro Anselmo. Mr. Anselmo, please come to the stage for taking pictures. Yeah. Mr. Anselmo, excitement. We're about to begin our raffle draw. First to give away tonight has their raffle tickets ready. Remember, if your number is called, make sure to come up to claim your prize. Good luck to everyone. Okay. So, Miss Elaine, ano ang mga prizes and major prizes?
Consolation! What
Sayang sayaw, bakit ikaw di bibitaw? Sayaw, laging ikaw. Ako'y giniginaw, aligan ito. Dito ka lang sa tabi ko. Mananatili on the ground to her successor. But before that,
As she walked, let us reflect on her achievements and the inspiration she has been to all of us. She has been represented this title with beauty, poise, and strength, and her legacy will continue to shine in the hearts of those she has touched. Music, Maestro.
Being Filipoma princess is, I can say, a very well experienced my life. I've learned a lot of things like self-discipline and a good example to my fellow countrymen, especially to the youth, on how we handle and take care of our surroundings, environment, and future. I can still feel the nervous and happiness before when I was competing in Queen of Filipoma way back 2019. And it was a great memories in me. I know also that you ladies became friends like we are before. With my other beauty queens, even I did not hold the crown. Being one of the Filipoma queens is very hard-running feeling. I enjoyed, I fought, and I finished the pageant with enjoyment and dedication. occasion. I would like also to take this chance to give my gratitude to all the people behind this spectacular event, to my family, to my friends that reach out all support me. Thank you for helping me discover my potential and help me grow and discover more about myself. This might be the end of my journey, but I am grateful and honored to pass this crown to the one who truly deserves. I am Marisa Oliveros Gancho, your Queen of Vilcoma, third Princess 2019, officially signing on. Viva Vilcoma!
Palakpakan naman sa our Queen Miss Marshall Sally.
Yeah, broadcast.
Congratulations, our second princess.
Candidate number 6 was sponsored by G. Macau. And the bouquet is sponsored by Komi Songyao.
Congratulations, our second princess. Are you ready to be announced the first princess?
Next, we move on to the Queen of Vilcoma. First, Princess. This candidate has been remarkable throughout the competition and is just one step away from the crown. Should Queen of Vilcoma 2024 be an
The winner of the first princess will receive a sash, a cash, and a bouquet. And a set of gold sponsored by Miss Mom Potato.
2024. This title goes to the candidate who was accepted by beauty, intelligence, and grace throughout the competition and has earned the highest honor of the night.
Ikaw na, Maribel!
And the presenters are Sir Ali Alan Joseph Lee, Sir Greg Escaño, Sir Dave Anthony Navarro, President Eric Loredo, Chairman Elaine San Juan, and to pass the crown, Ma'am Marisa Ancho and Komi Songyao.
He is